Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to talk about ClickFunnels versus Shopify. So I'm going to start with Shopify first, guys, and actually kind of reverse back here. But really, ClickFunnels, there is no ClickFunnels versus Shopify. They are two different things. They actually work together. You would use ClickFunnels to help drive leads and actually build more sales for your Shopify store. Okay, so Shopify is a place where you can build beautiful e-commerce sites. Like literally they have pre-built templates. I used to do a lot of Amazon FBA kind of stuff, and I'd have a Amazon store, and then I'd also have my Shopify store where I would link the Amazon stuff into Shopify and sell it that way. And this is before I knew anything about funnels. And that's really what Shopify is. Shopify allows you to literally have an online store up in like 2 minutes. And you can even link with drop shippers, find products and services to sell, and that's it. So that's what Shopify does. Now, the way that ClickFunnels would work with Shopify is you would use ClickFunnels to build a funnel. This is something that you can't do inside of Shopify, which is allow you to create upsells, downsells, and that sort of thing. And the way it works is, let's say you want to promote your new store at Shopify, and you're running a promotion, you're running either ads or posts on Facebook. Rather than simply put a link that sends people straight to your Shopify store where they just kind of start looking around, you have no control over what they do. What you would do is run a promotion on Facebook and say, hey, let's say you're doing a jewelry store. Hey, get this free heart necklace. Just cover shipping and handling. Obviously, if you're new to free plus shipping offer is the shipping and handling obviously helps you cover your costs of the necklace. So the idea here is to generate leads to sell them more stuff later. But what is beautiful about this is you can now offer them what's called an upsell and even a downsell. So we're trying to break even on our ad spend and then make a little bit of money on the back end. So, hey, would you like to add one more? This is the cool thing about funnels, is it's taking them through the funnel process, right? And then, you're actually going to increase your cart value by 30% in Shopify. So rather than sending them to Shopify and saying, hey, buy this one trinket and then check out, we're going to get them to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 trinkets before they even get to your store. Then, after they've gone through this funnel, and this can all be integrated with your Shopify, so all your leads and information is going to be linked to your Shopify. You can integrate using something called Zapier. Then on this final page, after they've checked out, you'd say, great, thank you so much. Visit our, obviously this is a demo here, but you would say, visit our online store here and check out some of our other products, or these are other products you might like. Then they would go to your Shopify store and they can start kind of browsing around. But if you sent them straight to your Shopify store, and they might look around, they might be like, oh, this looks cool, I might get this, but you're not gonna have the chance to upsell them. Whereas that's what you can do within ClickFunnels. I hope that makes sense, right? We're taking them down that journey. But that's how you would use ClickFunnels with Shopify. So there's really no ClickFunnels versus Shopify. They don't compete with each other, they complement each other. I hope that helps. If you're new to ClickFunnels, I'll put a link below where you can get started with a free 14-day trial. Thank you, everybody.